Gaza in flames. Will Europe finally recognize Palestine? Israel continues its war in Gaza, committing serious crime against civilians, which has sparked waves of unrest and popular protest in several European countries. These popular pressure have turned into direct political pressure on European governments, pushing some of them to consider imposing sanctions on Israel or even going further by officially recognizing the state of Palestine during the United Nations meeting scheduled for the 9th of this month. This recognition raises two main questions. First, is Palestine legally a state? According to the Montevideo Convention 1933, for an entity to qualify as a state, it must meet four main criteria. First, a defined territory. Second, a permanent population. Third, a political authority exercising sovereignty. Fourth, the capacity to establish international relations with other states. Looking at the Palestinian case, Palestine has a recognized territory within the pre-1967 border despite geographic division. It has a population with a clear national identity, Arab, and a predominant religion, Islam. There is a political authority that governs the affairs of the Palestinians. Palestine maintains official relations with over 147 countries worldwide. Although international recognition is not a requirement under the Montevideo Convention for statehood, it remains an important factor to enhancing the international presence of any political entity. However, some major countries, particularly the United States and most European countries, still hesitate to recognize Palestine, influenced by their strategic relation with Israel. Palestine has not yet obtained full UN membership and remains an observer state, which complicates its legal status. Second, will European recognition of Palestine stop the war in Gaza? Direct recognition of Palestine is unlikely to immediately stop the war, but it may indirectly affect political power balances. Recognition by countries traditionally supportive of Israel would increase pressure on Israel, possibly forcing it to reconsider its position and reduce military escalation. Recognition is increasingly seen as a key option to resolve the Palestinian issue, as highlighted by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres during 2024 and 2025. He repeatedly emphasized that recognizing Palestine is the only solution to address the root of the Palestinian question. Although Israel, through its Knesset, issued two decisions in 2024 rejecting recognition of Palestine and the establishment of Palestine state, such recognition could internally pressure Israel to change its stance, potentially resolving the Palestinian issue definitively. In your opinion, will Europe countries dare to recognize Palestine? Share your thought in the comment, please.